No. I have to report to the police. I need to go to the FBI. This is our country. You're a terrorist taking stand like.
Yes.
How dare
Yes.
you?
Yes.
আমি দেশে গেছিলাম একটা আওয়ামী লীগের মাস্টার ব্যস্ত করেছি আমার বাড়িতে নামে মামলাকে মুক্তি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি এখানে এসেছে আমি কোনো কিছু বলি আমি কিসের বিএনপি আওয়ামী লীগ চিন্তা করছি আপনার কত বড় দুঃসাহস কিসের বিএনপি লিবারেল রিপাবলিকান এখানে এদিকে আমি আব্রাহাম রাসূল বেটা সিরিয়াসলি আমি কে এটাই করে ভাই সিরিয়াসলি তুই আমার কে তুই আমার সিরিয়াস না তুই আমার মতো ব্যক্তির এটা করছিস তো স্পট দ্যাট son of bitch how dare you this is our my farm and me
Okay, I count police for police. For police.
yeah 37 right
73rd and
can you come right now
73rd and Borgo.
yeah 3753 and 73 can you come right now
73rd and Borgo.
okay वो दो क्या है
সে আমার ফেসবুকে বলছে জানি মারবার জন্য এই জায়গায় আসছে মারতে আমার জানি মারতে আসছে
কথা বলে I need police right now
আপনি চলে যান
no don't go এখনো যায় না এর রাখেন ওখানে তার সন্ত্রাসী হে কয় দেখেন তার দুঃসাহসটা দেখেন I need police force right
The
now
guy threatened me. He live in New Jersey. He come here. He want to kill me. He threatened me on Facebook and he's
come right
call
now?
and arms. So I need a police now.
okay
Quick,
please send police
He
right
have a
now
weapons. Yes, he have a gun. He come from New Jersey. He want to kill me. He say he gonna kill me. Yes. He have a car Tesla H. Is a New Jersey plate. It's like Harry 43. You like United. You like John.
as soon
you
as
like
I
John.
was talking with the journalist and as soon as
Yes.
he see me he's calling more people I mean on the phone
He have a weapon,
and he's
yes.
trying to
He
attack
have a gun.
me and my
He have a
car
gun.
I need police force right now
He have a gun. He have a gun. His packet.
yeah that's why as soon as I
He
call
have a gun.
you he
He's a
stopped
packet on
that
his
side
side.
otherwise he's
His
trying to
packet.
attack me and my car I need police force right now
He's a Bangladeshi. He's a criminal. He have many history of criminal. He have many history of criminal. He have a many history of criminal.
no
He's a criminal.
please and
He's
he
a criminal.
threatened me
Please
I have the video record
He threatened me. He gonna kill me. He threatened me. He gonna kill
so
me.
I need the police force
So
right now
please help.
because he threatened me and no. Yes, we have to I have his chicken video so I have to